Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some amazing DIY home decor projects that you can try this weekend. We've got 5 fabulous projects lined up, from super simple to seriously impressive. So grab your glue guns and paintbrushes because things are about to get crafty. Let's get creative and transform your space. Alright, let's kick things off with a project that's all about adding personality to your walls without draining your wallet. This is perfect for anyone looking to spruce up their space on a budget. I'm talking DIY wall art. It's fun, easy, and incredibly rewarding. This is your chance to let those creative juices flow and create a statement piece that's uniquely you. Gather your supplies: an old canvas, cardboard, leftover paint, fabric scraps, buttons, or beads. Think about your inspiration: geometric patterns, abstract designs, or nature-inspired vibes. The possibilities are endless. Lay down some newspaper to protect your work surface and let your inner artist loose. Paint bold stripes, create a textured collage, or arrange those buttons into a funky design. Unleash your creativity, and let's turn that blank wall into a masterpiece. Your home will thank you for the personal touch. Next up, we're taking those empty jars piling up in your recycling bin and giving them a chic makeover. Yes, I'm talking about turning trash into treasure with some fabulous DIY recycled jar vases. Gather up those glass jars, give them a good wash, and peel off any stubborn labels. Wrap them with twine or jute rope for a natural, earthy vibe, or spray paint them in your favorite shade. Add flowers, fresh blooms, dried flowers, or even branches for a more sculptural look. Arrange your flowers in your newly upcycled vases and voila! Stunning, eco-friendly decor. Are you ready to add some major wow factor to your space? Get ready to unleash your inner artist and transform your home like never before. We're tackling a project that's all about making a statement: the stenciled accent wall. This is your chance to create a focal point that will leave everyone in awe. Choose a wall that's craving a little extra love. It could be in your living room, bedroom, or even a hallway. Find stencils online or at your local craft store, from geometric patterns to floral motifs. The options are endless, so pick something that speaks to your style. Grab your chosen paint color and a stencil brush. Make sure the paint complements your existing decor for a cohesive look. Tape your stencil securely to the wall using painter's tape and start dabbing on the paint in a light, even layer. Take your time to ensure precision. Use a dry brush technique to prevent the paint from bleeding under the stencil. This will give you crisp, clean lines. Once your entire stencil is filled in, carefully peel it away to reveal your masterpiece. The moment of truth is always exciting. Repeat the process across the entire wall for a stunning accent wall that will transform your space. Your room will have a whole new personality. Let's be honest, we can never have enough storage, right? But who says storage can't be stylish? We're combining function and fabulousness with some DIY floating shelves. Decide where you want to install your shelves and measure the space carefully. Grab some sturdy wooden boards and shelf brackets. Customize those shelves. Sand down the edges, stain them, paint them, or let the natural grain shine through. Install the brackets using a stud finder and a drill. Style your shelves with books, plants, candles, and decorative objects for a curated display that reflects your personal style. It's time to tackle the ultimate weekend project: an upcycled furniture makeover. Get ready to transform your space with a touch of creativity and a bit of elbow grease. We're taking that old dresser, chair, or side table and giving it a new lease on life. Imagine the possibilities as you breathe new life into these forgotten pieces. Scout out your piece of furniture at thrift stores, flea markets, or even your own garage. You never know where you might find a hidden gem waiting to be transformed. Give it a good cleaning and remove any dust or cobwebs. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth and polished finish. Sand down any rough edges, fill in any cracks or holes with wood filler, and then let's talk about paint. Prepping your piece properly will make all the difference in the final result. Choose a color that complements your existing decor, or go bold with a vibrant hue. The right color can completely change the look and feel of your furniture. Experiment with different painting techniques like distressing for a vintage vibe or color blocking for a modern look. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it uniquely yours. Swap out old knobs or pulls with new ones for an easy and affordable update. This small change can have a big impact on the overall appearance. Transform that forgotten piece of furniture into a stunning statement piece. With a little effort and imagination, you can create something truly special that you'll be proud to show off. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some inspiration for your next DIY project. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity run wild. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time.